now I will show you what is the difference of these three statistical functions. You can see here, Home tab, Formula, and More function. Then this statistical, and you can find here Count, Count E, and Count blank. The difference is this count counts the number of cells in a range that contains number. I will put here B, C, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is our data. So we will apply this count. You see here, equal count. Then we will select up to here. See what happened. Again, count function, it counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So meaning here we have, this one is letter A, B, C, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So meaning this should be coming 4. So I will hit enter. Look, total number of this data is 4. If I type again another, let's say 6, look what happened. It will change to 5. If I will put letter D, look what happened. So it coming 4. So meaning this range, if you use this count function, it will count only the numbers. So this one is count function. Now we'll proceed with count A or counter. So this function counts the number of a cell, cells rather, in a range that are not empty. So meaning this count A will count inside the range that are not empty. Okay, we'll try. Equal count E. So we'll select the same range and hit enter. It's coming 8. Now we'll count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, this count A function counts the number of a cell in a range that are not empty. So meaning this one will count for this range that are not empty. So what will happen if I delete one of this one? If I delete this one, look, coming 7. If I delete also this one, it coming 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because this cell is contained with data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If I put back again B,
This is the one.